Kumberi la dit lo President Yoweri Museveni Omiyo Kony macharu chane bot dana ye maroma piera pitch wa biro maguno ya wano ilok me bom imwaka mukare pa 2021 bom liel kabere maduong Parliament Avenue CPS Kawempe kamoni kenyo mbogo
Kulambiro Koma mboga
so dana maduong no wano ma wipo karmone dano ftichwalo lok ge nigiti otyat expenses ma otyat tiyo maduong gamente petika konyo ge jomo kena guri otyat chak pedwe dek mano kony pagamente peka bien en kumbeti kuma be adit lo betika miyo cash contributions bo dano igni weng ma pule pat mo kena giti wheelchair mo kena giti clutches mo kena tian ki ngono so iwa yom at least ni adit lo bo ukati ki lok ma eno promising ni bikate kere
polkare la dit lo bo Pero timo gena kloni observation. Neno ji maduong, bunyu ji maduong, ento no miro planning. Ngo mo miro team away. We po mabomo poro, bomo tum, and the biggest issue madako bino was the gena pimu yeludane bududani. Machot choro tukichwalo kong 100 and something million shillings. Mi chara kakonyo jomati bududa. Of course, pingo responding mi achel mi ringo chara bududa according to the press. Because it was an emergency and Pino given a lugana king organ when futika time. It was a current situation. Jomo beri bombi go raising megi chalo complain. Ne president your government mironen keta kingo ke konye ge kwede. And I want to tell you, ni government mamunyu lok Emma is the only way forward. Dano Kenini needs a leaning hand, a helping hand. Kati pero atim gena ngo. You are the breadwinner. Kumbeti ane ateka guakolotiano na ateka gwako mamana, ateka gwako ngagi, family tiyo dano maduana ta, ane acholo school fees. Beri chalo you are the breadwinner. Itika what innocently, bomo much, bomma peke yubo ke yubo michilo gwako gamenta kira kekere CPS gwako kimero moko CPS lo, ento ine better victim, the innocent victim. Tino towa, bomo goy wenyo kwanyo. Now, uwegnero jomo beri kin victims oweng, the bomb survivors. Wangpe, Tianpe, kono gena ngo misi, jomo kene komgo wang mera wangke match, and then you are totally deformed. Ibiru kiska.
Chi kony any part, kony mala dit loboti me ene kubedi. Kony me is a one of keje kony mo konyo dong victims any for the rest of their lives. Mero bela penny me miro penny.
No, gen makwana newspaper tika mi rehabilitation support. Now rehabilitation support tiene wa million pa Emma. Pini wa mete wa gwoki chenjui. Et wana million pa chake ge mo matidi maromo konyo kuoni. Meanwhile now your problem is not medication. Your problem is how do I start again?
How do I rearrange my life?
How do I organize myself?
It's disability.
Yes, disability. Kak gwok no itila ngolo. Enta foot itichi emero no assistive device. Amero wheelchair we are konya office for a mete ki teach. Remember ni in inclusion or disability fraternity, watching disability is not inability. While tino much or you have been amputated, does not stop you from still working. In the context of inclusion, gang teach mamegi miro understanding ne part dong tiene pe and don't pour on where beru kamakuman miro creating ramp to accommodate him. Kichako kept mogo modification mogo mateno so that I am taken in. So all these gestures, my president take a bino kwele pejo mo wane tika temene kumaro. Kidong bene those who lost their lives or lost their loved ones, beno miyo chene. Ni this is to recap the mikonyelo teno mano John and aware. Chi noni answering to that question according to the newspapers, ni this is a one-time support. Madong kwajini, please find something good you can do.
Of course.
And trust me, it becomes like a debt. So sometimes we offsetting.
From the go.
Exactly. So, but of course, what happened the president